Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. So I'm back with a new video on how you can transfer or send money from Cash App to your bank account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, before getting started, make sure that you've already linked your bank account to your Cash App, and in case you haven't linked your bank account to your Cash App, then you won't be able to transfer the money, or you won't be able to transfer or send the money. So then make sure that you've already linked your bank account. So then logged into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, you'll be directed to banking page, and once you're on this page, you have to tap on cash out, and on this page you have to enter the amount of money that you want to transfer to your bank. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on cash out right at the bottom. On this page, you have to select the transfer speed, so you have two different options. And after that, all you have to do is wait patiently until the money is transferred to your bank account, and then you'll be notified about the transaction. So all you have to do is wait patiently. So that is how you can transfer or send money from Cash App to bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.